Today I'm going to be showing you how to program a new remote to a Toyota Kluger. This is a 2016 model, but this will be the same for any Toyota that carries a H chip. So first thing is, as you can see, we have one working remote and we have one new non-programmed KD remote. So first thing you want to do is insert the key and turn to the on position. Next thing is we're going to plug our OBD2 connector into the OBD2 port, which is located directly beneath the steering column. It's about, just above the actual brake pedal. Once we're plugged in, we should have two lights on the actual VCI box. You'll have your Bluetooth light, your power light, and then you'll have your Bluetooth communication light. So we're going to put that aside. We're going to come over to the diagnostic tablet, and we're going to make sure we're on immobilizer on the side. We're then going to go across to Toyota, select the latest version, we're then going to select remote, and for this vehicle and all vehicles running H chip, it's going to be type 2. We're going to select add remote. It's going to ask us to switch ignition on and open driver's door. I've now opened driver's door, confirmed that the ignition is switched on. I'm going to hit yes to continue. It's then going to ask me to hold lock and unlock together for 1 second and then push the lock button once. When I do that, you should hear a tone from the vehicle saying that it's registered to the car. So lock and unlock for 1 second, release, push lock. You get 2 beeps from the vehicle. You then hit OK. It'll tell you that you've got programming success. We're going to back right out of the menus. We're then going to unplug the diagnostic tool, close the passenger driver's door, remove the key from the ignition, and then we're going to test the original remote and then test the new remote. Sometimes these vehicles will take a moment or two to actually get out of programming mode fully. As you can see, the remote is now starting to work. It's now working entirely. So it locks and unlocks. We also hold the panic button down. And that's it. We now have 2 working remotes for the vehicle. Thanks, guys.